Right, here we come to the elevators somewhere on Centerview Drive. I do not know the name of, but these are shiny mirrored Dover impulse elevators. This is an older Dover impulse. This is a 45-degree angle panel. Nice. Love the motor. Older Dover impulse. I remember this building now. This is Yancey building. I remember this from Elevating, North Carolina. I totally forgot about it. The phone door is stuck, but anyways, there's your cab view. Wow, this is the most pristine elevator I've ever been on. This was installed in 1987. That is one heaven of a startup. Here's the middle elevator car, which has got a fan on as well. Same motor. Just love that lantern just chiming and chiming and chiming and chiming. These are tall too. There is a similar elevator design exactly like this one at the Municipal Court Building in Bryan, Texas that James has filmed, also known as Bryan College Station Elevators and More, but unfortunately that got modernized by Otis. So glad I found something exactly similar as this. Let's see if we can get the right elevator car. All right, finally caught it. That motor sounds louder. This one's got an even louder motor than the other two. And yeah, this elevator does go up automatically and park. But man, these are, look how much in pristine condition they are. See, this elevator car parks up on the 4th floor. You see, I had to like, I had to chase this elevator car all the way up onto. I have to chase for this elevator car all the way up onto the 4th floor because I first thought it was down, but realizing it was just parked on the 4th floor. When I tried calling it, this thing wouldn't even respond. So so I had to take the other 2 elevator cars all the way up to the 4th floor to catch this thing. So, anyways, here's your phone. These are definitely in pristine condition. They're like almost like back in time, as you can see here. Anyways, I'm gonna let you hear the motor one more time, and then after that, we're gonna get off at 1 and end the video. But I've never seen such a rare elevator design like this. See, look with the panel that is slanted. That is totally not very common. All right, get a listen to this motor. All right, back down to 1 and there. Some of the button contacts were definitely replaced at a time. See, this one you hear the click, but this one has the old micro switch, the old mushy micro switch. I'd be definitely interested in having an older Dover impulse elevator piece, especially with the older contact, because the new micro switch, you already see 2 common. I already have a classic Dover traditional elevator piece. All right, with that being said, there it goes. And that's it, and there goes the machine.